Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I have no idea who sent this. Couldn't make out the info on the front, or couldn't, get anything from it. So we're just going to open it up and see what it is. Thanks so much to whoever sent this. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, let's see. What's the best point of attack? Probably right there. Don't cut towards yourself, etc. Okay, we got two. We got a couple in here. We got something. Okay, so we got Vosteeds. They've changed their packaging. All right. Couple of Vosteeds here. I'm going to do this one first. Okay. So, I will, these are probably, by the time you're seeing this, these are probably available. So I will link these right down in the description so that you guys can check these out. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that is entirely up to you. Huh. This looks like the little thing from Metal Slug. Wasn't there a little dog in Metal Slug, or am I wrong? I don't know. What do we have here? What is going on? Is this a... Oh, it's a little button lock. Oh, okay. This is cool. Are these copper? Ooh, what steel? Oh wait, it says Corgi. Nitro V. Okay, so they're calling it the Corgi. You know what? I like this. This is cool. Front flipper, rear flipper, button lock. No, a little bit of button stick. That's okay. But no drag on the button, so that's good. Lockup is solid. I think this is really heavy. It has to be. These have to be copper scales. It's a good looking knife though. Just had to put that screw up there. Why didn't you put it? There's no spot for lefties. Come on, lefties would love this. This is a cool little design. I mean, it's very simple. I love that when it's closed up, look at this. When it's closed up, the blade is entirely housed within the scales. So you're just carrying this, right? And then the blade comes out. That's a good, actually, a lot of times the problem with designs like this is that the blade to handle ratio is awkward. And this is not. It's not awkward at all. It looks like it's a nice sized blade. Can you touch it? No, you cannot. Cool. I would venture to guess that they have other handle materials. It's very unlikely that this is the only, you have to get, I'm going to show you guys real quick. If I can find my scale, which... Well, I was going to say, why would it be gone? It should never be gone. Okay. The weight on this one is 5.4 ounces. So almost certainly this is a special version of it, or just a different variant that runs or that is utilizing some copper, sort of like an aged. It's like they're like pre-patinaed. Yeah, that's pretty cool. The Corgi. I would venture to guess there's a pretty good price on that too. Nice. I like that one. Okay. So that's the first one there. Comes with the microfiber cloth, which I'm definitely going to steal. Because this will end up being a giveaway knife, but I'm not going to give you the microfiber cloth. I don't know. Maybe I will. If you don't know, I always take those microfiber cloths. I need them. I need all of them. Okay. And then the other one here. What in the blue blazes? There we go. Okay. Like I said, both of these, I will link them both right down in the description. So if you're wanting to get them, you wanted to check them out, down in the description of this video. Okay, so we got an extra backspacer. Looks like an extra filler tab. And we got a little axis lock knife here. What's this called? This is called the Corsair. Okay. I feel like I've looked at that. Maybe it's because this is now the axis lock version. Oh, that's nice. Oh, extra tension. Those are high tension Omega springs, so this feels much better. Oh, I prefer that. Yeah, for the longest time I kept trying to figure out, I don't like the light tension. Am I more medium tension or high tension? Omega Springs, these are high tension, and that feels perfect. Oh boy, that's nice. Okay, so we got Nitro V on this guy too. Cool to see Vosteed using other things. Wow, really nice. The factory edge here. This is the piece of paper that's obviously been getting attacked with every. No, this is a ridiculously bitey edge. Oh man, that thing was ready to go. Yeah. That's a nice factory edge for sure. I think we'll go ahead. Jeez! Guys, I'm serious. Like, the factory edge on this thing is crazy. That's a nice finish too. Nice tumbled finish. Is it? No, they got a regular bevel on it. Ooh, man. Vosteed can sharpen a knife. That's a really nice factory edge. Yeah, this is cool. These are nested. You call them, I mean, they're nested liners or cartridge liners. They could have done just a halfway liner. And I'll tell you why I don't like it when they do that is because it often, I mean, look at your Benchmade knives, right? You got another screw right in the middle to hold that liner in. But if you let the liner come all the way to the back, you can put a screw at the back to hold it in. And you get the extra integrity of having the steel all the way to the butt of the knife, which is, you know, kind of trivial and it adds weight. But because you're not really getting any excess strength from it. But I think it's fine. It's just like blue dyed micarta. Yeah. This is a good looking knife. Also very ergonomic. I love that they had the sense, of course, to do a filler tab thing. So we have, you know, a mounting position for lefty pocket clips. That's great. I'm going to weigh this guy. In fact, I think really quick, let's measure him. Oh, we're moving stuff. The camera's now, it's for a long time has actually been mounted to a 2x4 that's sticking out of the framework of the wall and it's no longer attached to the table, so it's very rare that the camera shakes, which is good, but every now and then I bump it. So the Corgi, all right, that's what this one's called. It's like 7 and an 1/8, and the Corsair is 7 1/2 and a 3 1/4 inch blade. Let's go ahead and I just want to real quick weigh it. And you know, that stupid scale, it's invisible. The weight on the Corsair coming in at 2.89 ounces. So really nice weight. What does my titanium bug out weigh? Because this is almost exactly the same size. Well, I think that might be what they're going after here. Yeah, that's titanium. This guy's definitely thicker than the bug out, for sure. But it has that same, you know, kind of Hogue Deca, Benchmade bug out kind of look, right? Not a copy. Don't scream copy. That's silly. That's a silly thing to scream, right? Because let me tell you something. This handle shape, you think that Hogue or Benchmade invented this? They did not. You think that Hogue or Benchmade invented this blade shape? They did not. That is not it. It wasn't original to begin with, right? It's fine that it exists, but no, it is not a copy. That's silly. 2.89 ounces, I don't think is bad at all, considering you know how much knife you get. Okay, 2 cool knives from Vosteed. That's awesome. Like I said, I will link them down in the description. You guys can check them out if you want. You'll get full comprehensive reviews of each of these knives a few weeks down the road. That's going to be it for today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe to get there because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.